Wilderness Films India is a 33-year-old public limited media company with 100 freelance and full-time crew and team members, hundreds of broadcast cameras, lenses, and over 150,000 hours of content. WildFilms India is now looking to create South Asia's first indigenous OTT platform with ancillary retail and travel offerings based on the feedback of our viewers wanting to purchase unique products and make travel plans based on what they see in our 100,000 videos. WildFilms India now plans a robust global video product that shows the best of India in terms of culture, travel, people, nature, and more. A veritable visual wiki and a platform on India's national pride. We're constantly on the go when heading to the field, and one doesn't have the luxury of time to search for last-minute supplies and products. So a vertically integrated platform that does the sourcing and quality control checks for us was in order. Our needs were diverse, ranging from tea, sugar and Maggi noodles for our crew and porters on Himalayan expeditions, right up to more complex equipment requirements such as 360 cameras. We often need quick deliveries in remote locations across the country. So we were in need of a sourcing platform equipped to handle our diverse and sometimes very ad hoc needs with the required quality control checks and reach across the country down to the most remote locations. Our search for such a platform ended when we found Amazon Business. As a result, WildFilms India has now vertically integrated the purchasing process on Amazon Business. Our team now requisitions purchases after checking equipment and accessories online. We have daily deliveries from Amazon at various locations. On one occasion, we had over 40 deliveries in a single week. Our guard was going crazy, taking all the packages in and coordinating a return or two as well. Amazon Business has brought our purchasing onto one platform. Time is naturally critical, so it saves us time and effort to not have to search through brick and mortar or over Google to find vendors. Amazon does the choosing for us and takes the pain out of hunting for reliable and suitable sources and vendors for various products. As an outdoor production house, we frequently travel across the country, and our sudden needs could range from extra memory cards to a replacement drone or even a new camera in the field, apart from furnishings for our mountain bases such as comforters, home appliances, electronics, and climbing and fishing equipment. Amazon has actually delivered equipment to us at our Himalayan field station at an altitude of 7,300 feet in the Himalaya, pretty much in the middle of nowhere. If a product is deficient in some way or not sold as represented, we know Amazon Business has us covered. The easy returns, location pickups, ready refunds or replacements, and more make us feel totally reassured that we're not going to be let down or end up wasting our time in chasing up multiple entities. Amazon Business is our one-stop shop for not just products, but it gives us the safety and security of buying from a known entity. Sourcing from multiple vendors is a huge challenge, especially when they are spread across cities. Amazon Business brings everything onto one GST compliant platform where there is answerability and reliability in equal measure, in addition to ready availability of a range of diverse products, especially office supplies, an easy return facility, festive sale offerings, bulk buying, discounts, and incentives. They all add up. This takes the risk out of buying for the buyer and makes the whole purchasing process not just risk-free, but even a pleasure. Amazon Business is doing a great job of adding more and more vendors and products to the platform, bringing about a democratic process in the listing of these products and creating a competitive yet healthy online environment where vendors are not just competing on price. We used to shop on other sites, but once we started getting GST invoices on our Amazon Business account, we have not looked elsewhere. Amazon Business has been a great experience for Wilderness Films India. We have virtually no complaints and are completely in favor of international online retail in India. Amazon is solving problems for Indian businesses, providing opportunities for small and large Indian retail establishments, as well as small businesses and home-based entrepreneurships. We are now here for good with Amazon Business. And we even see Amazon as a happily unavoidable and indelible intrinsic part of India's cultural landscape. We plan to keep buying more and different products from Amazon Business. We require dozens of hard drives for data storage of videos that we upload to the internet, and our archiving of India's cultural and human landscape. We've been regularly buying a range of products: air conditioners, heaters and other appliances for our offices and kitchens, hot water bottles for winter use, 4K cameras for field shooting, computers for editing, DJI drones for filming, furniture, refrigerators and geysers for our offices and guest houses, flashlights for our field forest staff, insect repellents, construction equipment, car accessories, Blu-ray DVDs for our film library, books, stationery, kitchenware, LED bulbs, music systems, speakers, exercise machines for our gyms, air purifiers for our homes and cars, laser printers, travel cases, warm weather wear for our Himalayan expeditions, you name it. Even apiary equipment for our honeybee project and plant bulbs and seeds for our botanical gardens and organic vegetable gardens. The list is endless. As a closely held public limited company in India and a widely accessed media company with the largest factual and travel content in Asia and the largest travel online channel in the region, we have made a company policy of uniformizing purchasing over Amazon India.